Using evidence in literature reviews, making strong claims. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson on using evidence to support claims in literature reviews. In academic writing, especially when writing a literature review, it is essential to back up your claims with solid evidence. Today, we'll delve deep into how to do just that. Evidence is what makes your claims credible and trustworthy. Let's get started. In the context of academic writing, evidence refers to the information, data, or references that support a claim, argument, or idea. This can be in the form of quotations from a primary source, data from research studies, facts or statistics, paraphrased information from a reputable source. Remember, using evidence doesn't just mean inserting random quotes or data into your literature review. The evidence must be relevant and directly support your claims. Using evidence in your literature review serves several purposes. 1. Credibility. It shows your reader that your claims aren't just personal opinions or assumptions. They are backed by research and experts in the field. 2. Depth of analysis. Using evidence helps in presenting a thorough analysis of the topic under study. It shows you've done your homework. 3. Building on existing knowledge. Literature reviews are all about understanding the current state of knowledge on a topic. By referencing evidence, you demonstrate a connection to this body of knowledge. 1. Choose relevant evidence. Ensure the evidence you choose directly supports your claim and is relevant to your topic. 2. Quote appropriately. Don't overuse direct quotations. Use them when the exact wording is crucial. Otherwise, consider paraphrasing. 3. Cite correctly. Always give credit to the original source of your evidence. Follow the appropriate citation style for your field, e.g., APA, MLA, Chicago. 4. Explain the evidence. After presenting evidence, explain its significance. How does it support your claim? Why is it important? 5. Be objective. While it's tempting to only use evidence that supports your claims, also consider evidence that might contradict your argument. Addressing counter-arguments adds depth and credibility to your review. And that wraps up our lesson on using evidence to support claims in literature reviews. Remember, evidence is the foundation of your claims in academic writing. It's what gives your words weight and credibility. Always ensure that your claims are backed by relevant, credible sources. We hope this video has been insightful and will aid you in your academic writing journey. Happy writing!